guys, so we're finally here in Portland. We made it. We finally regrouped. There's Giles, my mom, to DJ, Rain, to Glenda.
Hello.
And to Jason. What's up? Whole squad is here except for Kutbet.
And Daddy.
And Daddy. So now we're heading over to the Tulip Festival and to see tulips, I guess. So, see you there. Where are we, Giles?
Tulip Festival.
Tulip Festival. Where are you? Portland?
Yes.
Portland?
Portland, Oregon.
Enjoy the montage. So we're here at Multnomah Falls. I hope I pronounced that right. We're gonna get a little closer, but it's right there. Let's go. So Mom, it's your birthday, right? Coming up?
Yeah,
and also
remember we're going to Utah?
Yeah, so for your birthday, I was wondering if I could surprise you in a Tory Burch. Because we're heading there. Yeah, everybody knows but you.
No. Why did you say Tory Burch?
Huh? Because it's gonna be, she wants Tory Burch. She's been wanting it.
Oh,
So we're gonna get Tory Burch. So we just talked about it. Well, she's been telling me today it's Tory Burch. So we're gonna go Tory Burch right now. So let's see what she picks out.
There you go.
Yeah, you're getting the last pair.
Oh, love.
Yeah, I'm glad I found them. They were all the way at the very top. They were kind of hiding.
Thank you so much.
Christine.
So what's up, guys? We made it at the hotel. We're just gonna grab a dinner and then rest. We're gonna go to the gym because there's a basketball court over there. That should be fun. Well, a small one. After that, we're just gonna get some rest, sleep, and then early flight tomorrow back to Cali.
Back to reality.
Well, yeah.
Vacation is reality.
So yeah, thank you for watching so far. If you made it this far, if you did, hit that like button below and also the subscribe button below, and comment where we should go next. We're gonna go to Salt Lake without her though. She can't make it, but we'll be there in 2 weeks. But other than that, if you recommend other places we should visit as a family or just me or whatever, let us know and we'll check it out. Thank you.